In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a claim with PayPal. Filing a claim can seem daunting, but we're going to break it down into simple, easy to follow steps to ensure that you can handle any issues swiftly and efficiently. First, head over to the PayPal homepage. This is where your journey begins. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's typically located at the top right of the page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the login page. Next, input your email address and password into the corresponding fields. It's essential to use the email associated with your PayPal account to avoid any glitches or errors. Once you've done that, click Login to access your PayPal account. Now that you're in, it's important to understand the difference between a dispute and a claim. If a buyer has an issue, say they haven't received an item or the item is damaged, they can open a dispute. A dispute is essentially an open conversation between you and the other party to resolve the problem directly. However, if a resolution cannot be reached through direct communication, or if too much time has passed, you may need to escalate the dispute to a formal claim. A claim is a step further where you formally request PayPal to investigate and make a decision on the matter. To proceed with this, scroll down to find and click on the contact link. From there you want to go to the Resolution Center. It's your hub for managing existing disputes and initiating claims. In the Resolution Center, locate your relevant dispute, claim or chargeback. Here, it's crucial to provide your perspective and any necessary evidence that supports your case. This could include transaction records, communications, or photographs of the item in question. If you've reached this point and your efforts to resolve the dispute have failed, it's time to escalate it to a claim. Doing so involves selecting the option to formally escalate it within the Resolution Center interface. This action passes over the reins to PayPal, who will then review all submitted information to render a decision. If, after the investigation, a claim is decided in your favor, fantastic. However, if new information comes to light, you also have the right to appeal the decision, offering this new evidence to potentially alter the outcome. Lastly, remember, if the dispute is satisfactorily resolved or an agreement is reached with the other party, you have the option to close the dispute. This action is simple and can be taken directly within the Resolution Center. Closing a dispute signifies a resolution and can no longer be escalated. And there you have it, the process for filing a claim with PayPal. By understanding each step and knowing when to escalate a dispute to a claim, you can effectively manage potential financial conflicts and protect your interests.